Hey chefs, welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of buzz around a phone-only trick in Merge Cooking that supposedly unlocks extra diamonds and coins. No computer, no complicated setup, just your mobile device. At first I wasn't sold. Merge Cooking usually makes you earn every upgrade, so this sounded a little too easy. Still, my curiosity kicked in, and I decided to test it out myself. In this video, I'll walk you through what I tried, step by step, and then we'll check the final results together to see if it actually delivers. The first thing you need is your user ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a minute to find mine. I copied it and kept it saved for later. This step is simple and doesn't take much time. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will work. Then, I searched for the website people were mentioning. When the page loaded, there were no pop-ups or strange redirects. The site looked clean and normal, which I honestly didn't expect. Once I was on the site, I used the search bar to find the Merge Cooking Diamonds and Coins generator. On the generator screen, I selected my device type. I'm using Android, but iOS is available too. After that, I entered my player ID, double-checked the details, and tapped Continue to move ahead. Then, it asked how many resources I wanted. Just to test it properly, I selected the highest amount. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared showing different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to understand. Before it finished, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were clear so it wasn't confusing. I already completed that earlier, so let's skip straight to the results. To check the results, I opened Merge Cooking again and looked at my diamonds and coins. The extra resources were already there. No restart, no waiting. Everything updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. Based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were easy, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you follow everything carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, leave a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.